Welcome back. Today we are looking at the MCHOSE G98 PRO Wireless Mechanical Keyboard Tri-Mode Connection Review 2026. The MCHOSE G98 PRO Wireless Mechanical Keyboard is a premium gaming keyboard designed for enthusiasts and professional gamers who demand high performance, versatility, and durability. Featuring tri-mode connectivity, hot-swappable pre-lubed linear switches, and a sleek double-shot PBT keycap design, this keyboard promises an exceptional typing and gaming experience. Whether you're a competitive gamer or a casual user seeking comfort and aesthetics, the G98 PRO delivers a perfect balance of functionality and style. The G98 PRO is loaded with features that make it a top choice for both gaming and productivity. Here's a detailed look at what makes this keyboard stand out. The G98 PRO excels in performance across all usage scenarios. In wired mode, the USB-C connection ensures ultra-low latency, making it ideal for competitive gaming. The 2.4 GHz wireless mode delivers a stable and lag-free connection for desktop setups, while Bluetooth mode allows flexible pairing with multiple devices including tablets and smartphones. Typing on the G98 PRO is a pleasure thanks to the gasket-mounted hot-swappable switches. Each keystroke is smooth, precise, and quiet, offering a satisfying linear feel. Gamers will appreciate the fast actuation and responsive feedback, which ensures accurate inputs during fast-paced gaming sessions. The RGB backlighting adds a layer of personalization and style. Users can select from multiple lighting modes, adjust brightness levels, and create gradient effects that enhance the aesthetic appeal of any gaming or office setup. The lighting also provides functional benefits, such as key visibility in low-light environments. Battery performance in wireless mode is impressive. The G98 PRO can last multiple days on a single charge, even with moderate to heavy usage. Charging is straightforward via USB-C, and the keyboard can be used while charging, ensuring uninterrupted gaming or work sessions. The G98 PRO features a sleek and modern design with a gradient black finish that complements any setup. The double-shot PBT keycaps provide excellent durability, resisting wear and shine over time. The keyboard's compact layout ensures it fits easily on most desks, while maintaining ergonomic comfort for extended typing or gaming sessions. Q1 is the MCHOSE G98 PRO compatible with Mac devices. 1. Yes, the tri-mode connectivity ensures compatibility with Mac devices via Bluetooth or wired USB-C mode. Q2 Can I replace the switches myself? A2 Absolutely. The G98 PRO features hot-swappable switches, allowing you to easily replace or upgrade switches without soldering. Q3 How long does the battery last? 3 On average, the keyboard can last several days on a single charge depending on usage, with RGB lighting set to moderate levels. Q4 Does it support custom macros? 4 While it doesn't have dedicated macro keys, most macros can be configured using compatible software depending on your operating system. Q5 Is the RGB lighting adjustable? 5 Yes, the RGB LED backlight is fully customizable with multiple modes, brightness levels, and gradient effects. Check the link in the description to get yours today.